Welcome to DIY Solar Homestead. I'll put it out there to all my solar brothers. It's time to start making starter videos. People are asking lately, how do I get started? And I say, one solar panel at a time. I'm at 25 now, and I did some. I got to dust them off. I just got home. So, and my computer's down. So what we have here is a situation where if you want to see my starter kit, you got to go back to the playlist and you got to, I think, click on a button because it's going to show 3 playlists. So you click on an arrow or something and then you'll see more playlists. Then you click another and then you see them all. And then you can go, I think the first going off grid starter kit, something like that. I don't remember the word. It was like 2 years ago, and it's 1 solar panel. And then it was the next video was 2 solar panels. The next is 3, 4, up to 14 solar panels connected to the big batteries. Now I have 2 battery banks, and I'm getting more questions on how do I get started. You get the solar panels, you get the solar wires, charge controller, and if you can't afford the batteries, don't worry about it. You get a grid tie inverter, 1,000 watts. So if you got solar panels coming in, they're all 100 watts. You can go up to 10 on that one inverter with the 1 charge controller, depending on the charge controller. But there you have it. Everybody start making these videos. It's got a solar YouTube channel. Do your starter kits. And I got a lot of people asking questions at the big green tomato. Now I got all the answers to get rid of the bugs out of the indoor garden, because where are you going to get the answers for what you need? Go to the experts. These people have been growing indoors for years and years and years. Maybe not vegetables, but they got all the answers for when you got bugs eating all my tomatoes, eating my peppers up. Now they're getting into Swiss chard. And the parsley used to be huge, but now it's not so wonderful anymore. But they gave me some answers, and so I got a couple more subscribers going up there. So I made some business cards, and I'm thinking about seeing if I can drop them off. So get your business cards and see if you can drop them off at your aquaponics store and grow your YouTube channel. Solar Brothers, this video is for you. This bud's for you. So people want to know how this works. And today, it works very good. Got 2 more days. We have, what is that called? Is that the equinox? Oh, winter solstice. Okay? So from there on the 25th, I think it's 11:24 at night, then we'll start getting more sunlight, like 2 minutes a day extra. And that's it. And all of you have a beautiful, sunshiny, solar day. Hula Sarge.